Welcome everyone. In this video we are taking a fresh look at Tessie, the app that gives Tesla owners a smarter and more powerful way to manage their cars. Tessie transforms the way you track your driving. It records every trip with clear analytics showing your energy use, your efficiency, and how your battery performs, so you always understand what is happening behind the scenes. The app also gives you deep insights into battery health, letting you compare your car's performance with other Tesla owners worldwide. This helps you maintain your battery longer and drive more efficiently. One of the strongest features is advanced charging data. Tessie shows exactly how much you spend, how much energy you gain, and even alerts you about phantom drains so you never lose charge without knowing why. Control features are also upgraded. You can manage your Tesla directly from your phone, your smartwatch, or even using voice commands through Siri, Alexa, or Google Assistant, making daily use faster and easier. Tessie also includes powerful automation options. You can set smart routines like automatic preconditioning before you drive, scheduled charging, or custom triggers that make the car work for you without any effort. All of this is packed into a clean dashboard that makes your Tesla easier to understand and more enjoyable to use. If you want more control, more data, and more intelligence, Tessie is an app worth having. Thanks for watching, and let me know your experience with Tessie in the comments.